Congratulations, new tutorial. Into the video tutorial we'll talk about star. You get start from here. There are two kind of star, single radius and double radius. Single radius just you just give like number of side, how many side you want to, 6 side I wanna get, and give the center point. I just give like 0, 5, 0, the center point. See, it automatically get the point, and just you just send the radius. Radius is something like this give 30 mm. Okay, or you just give randomly like that, but foresight still foresight like foresight is like simple. Okay, now second one, double radius like you can give like, and next is inward order, inward order, inward order, inward order, inward order. Okay, order like that. Okay, so simple. And one more thing, let's put some like 6 and give like simple 9, yes, and double side like simple, and let's give with add star arc size adds. Okay, what does it mean? First radius like give 30 mm, and second radius you like give second radius you can just like 60 mm like that, like first one is 10 mm, too small. And what kind of color you like, inside or outside? Inside, like inside. If you give inside, need to give parameter like less than the first s inside. If you wanna see like outside, you need to give the second radius bigger than first radius. If you wanna see like this, you need to give the radius of second star more than first one. Okay, it's kind of this kind of. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Let's do more for like that, like that, like that. It's simple. Okay. Yes, amazing. Thank you so much. Bye bye.